with OpenAI, lots of people are already using it in the private world. So I consider this like you start playing with it, then you start working with it, and from there you start innovating with it. AI is not new to Philips. We have AI embedded in many of our products. So with that, we also have highly specialized AI teams. But most of that is traditional AI machine learning. So we also felt it's really the time to elevate AI literacy across all of the 70,000 employees, make sure that everybody knows how to use AI. And that's where we started the journey with OpenAI a few months ago, and to deploy that among a few thousand users to see like how will they adopt this and how will they get the benefits from using AI in the day-to-day practices. I personally trained all the ExCo members because they need to use this tool. When the word came out that we were deploying enterprise ChatGPT, people wanted it, but we had limited licenses. So we said, sign in for the summer challenge, come with your brightest idea on where AI can play a role for the company, and the best ones will win a license. And that's how you see that across the organization, you're going to build this up and see how people can make better use of AI. I was in a hospital where they had an emergency case coming in there, and the clinician spent 15 minutes in the cath lab to save a human's life. And after that, they have to do an equivalent amount of administration. Well, he could save 2 lives in that same time. Our healthcare practitioners are spending way too much time on administrative burden. How can we take that away from them and give them time back to spend with the patient? And from there, let's go for the moon, let's go for Mars, let's go beyond all of that there to make sure that we use it in the full potential.